Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5121767 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it in the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it in the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can update your Windows 11. Now, if the scans are stuck, then you can follow the next step. Next step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down at the bottom somewhere you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to again automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click, click on restart. Now you can go back. If you see retry option over here, you can hit retry and then try to install the update once again. Still not working, pause and restart the update. So go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option. You can click on pick a date. You can select any date. This will pause the update. Once the update is paused, click on resume updates and let the update install and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5121767. Click on search and then type in, let me change the language over here. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command and then check your Windows version. In my case it's version 25H2. Now check your system type, go to Windows settings, system, go to about option, check your system type. For me it's 64 based operating system, x64. Now for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5121767. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your PC and then check. Still not working, use fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down. Here you can see recovery option, click on it. Here fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once it is done, restart the PC and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file, then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation you can log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.